So NFTperp is a new decentralized exchange that lets you long or short popular NFT collections. It's still in private beta. They have a token coming out called PERP, and there's a confirmed airdrop for 2023. And what's interesting is this project is slowly starting to take off. As you can see, the Google search volume here is really starting to spike in the last couple months. In this video, I'm going to share my research, show you how to use NFTperp and how to be eligible for the airdrop that's likely to happen in 2023. So let's jump in. So let's just start with some stats before we jump into what it is. If you search NFTperp on Google Keyword Planner, you can see the search volume was basically nothing in 2022, and around October, end of the year, it's starting to spike, and we have data until December where the search volume is about 2,000 per month, and it's likely much higher in January when I'm filming this right now, but we'll have to see. So it's starting to have a spike, and if we look at some of their Twitter, this tweet is saying that NFTperp has exceeded 16,000 ETH in trading volume in December 2022 and is on track for an even better month in January. If we look at a similar tweet here, our NFT perpetuals are promising NFT subsector. NFTperp has gone from 0 to 2,000 ETH in open interest through 2 months of private beta, and these analytics are coming from Dune, where you can see a lot of cool info about this project. And here you can see the different NFT collections that you can long and short at the time of this video. There are only 5, and most of them are on Bored Ape, Azuki, there's Mutant Ape Yacht Club, and a couple others here. And yeah, a lot of cool stats here. So what is NFTperp? Well, if you go to the website, you can long or short NFTs. This is a decentralized exchange built on Arbitrum, and I will show you some screenshots here. And yeah, you can long and short blue chip NFT projects using wrapped Ethereum. And this is a new way for traders to hedge their positions or just profit from price movements without having to trade the actual NFTs themselves. Currently, there are 5 NFT collections that you can long and short. Again, this is still in private beta, and these are the 5 NFT collections on the screen. You can trade all of these with up to 10x leverage. The project is currently in private beta, and you need to apply for the whitelist, and there is a confirmed airdrop for private beta traders, so that might be a reason you want to get onto the whitelist, and I'll explain the airdrop in a little bit. And the public mainnet launch is expected at some point in 2023, and because this platform is on Arbitrum, the gas fees are very low, and they claim to be fast, low fee, secure, and a fully decentralized exchange protocol according to their website. So why does this project exist? If we go to their documentation, and we'll just click overview here. Actually, let's start with this one here. NFTperp was created to address 3 main issues faced by NFT investors. Number 1, there's no way to short NFTs at the moment, so NFT traders can only buy low and hope to sell high. The other problem is blue chip NFTs like Bored Apes and CryptoPunks are far too expensive for the retail community to get involved. So let's actually go to this tab here. So yeah, if you want a CryptoPunk, if you want a Bored Ape, it's going to cost you like 50 to 100 Ethereum. And that means 99% of retail investors can't get involved. So they want to provide more accessibility by giving you exposure to the price at any budget. Again, like I mentioned, there's no way to short NFTs for those that are bearish or simply want to hedge their positions. And the third problem is they want to reduce fees. So OpenSea can have like 5% to 7.5% fees. You know, the service fee and the royalty fee to creators, it adds up, and you need to make at least 5 to 7.5% just to break even. So let's take a look at the actual platform now. So NFTperp is on Arbitrum. So to use this, you will need a MetaMask wallet that is connected to the Arbitrum network. And if I open my MetaMask here, you will see Arbitrum 1. If you don't have Arbitrum on your MetaMask, you can just click add network. It'll take you to a page like this, and it'll show up if you don't already have it added. It'll say something like Arbitrum, and you can click add, and then you need to deposit Ethereum onto Arbitrum. And to do that, you can use the Arbitrum bridge, which I can link below, or you can just send crypto from a centralized exchange like Binance or KuCoin into your wallet. Once you have ETH in your Arbitrum wallet, then you can just swap it for wrapped ETH, connect your wallet to NFTperp, and now you can long or short NFTs. So looking at the platform, they have a light and pro trading dashboard, and at the moment they support 5 NFTs which you can long or short. Now keep in mind it is in private beta, so you do have to get whitelisted to do this, but there's also a paper trading feature. If you want to do the paper trading, you can kind of test it out here, and they'll give you some mock wrapped Ethereum that you can play around with, but you can select the NFT that you want to long or short. As you can see, they have more coming soon, and you can bet on the prices of these NFTs, whether you think they're going to go up or down. As you can see, they have up to 10x leverage here, and your collateral will be in wrapped Ethereum. So if you want to do one full Bored Ape, that's how much it's going to cost. Or if you want to do just 0.1, you can do that. You don't have to get the whole Bored Ape. to get exposure to the price, and you can click long or short. And once you actually click open position, you'll pay a very small gas fee. Again, it's on Arbitrum, which has very low fees. And the cool thing here is you don't actually have to own the NFTs. You can come into the platform with Ethereum and leave with Ethereum. And this is another look at the pro trading dashboard. Another core feature is that this is a decentralized platform, so all you need to trade is a Web3 wallet. There's no sign up or KYC process. Then if we look at the left side of the screen here, we can go to the main dashboard, and here it's going to give you some leaderboards. So you can actually spy on different wallets that are active. You can see what they're up to, find strategies. You can see the top ROI, total profit and loss, total volume. And there's also an analytics tab here where you can see the total open interest on these different projects at the moment. And this is all the current numbers from the private beta. So that's a walkthrough of the platform. What about the NFTperp airdrop? Well, if we go to their documentation and click this one right here, it's called NFTperp Odeshi, and this is a retroactive airdrop for private beta traders. So this is confirmed, and if you get onto the whitelist, which you can apply on the homepage, so if you just click join private beta, it'll take you to a Google Forms, which you can see here. Fill out this information, and hopefully you can get accepted. I haven't got in yet, but hopefully you can get accepted. And then by actually using the platform and trading on it, you will start to earn NFTP rewards. So yeah, all users that trade on NFTperp private beta will be eligible to qualify for these rewards. And these can later be exchanged for the perp token once that is released. Now, this is the only info they have about the airdrop. Now, you can also try doing the paper trading, getting some mock ETH and making some transactions here. However, that is just speculation. I don't know if that will qualify you for an airdrop, but you can try doing that just in case. However, the confirmed one from their actual documentation is what I just mentioned. You have to join the private beta and actually do trades with real Ethereum to be eligible to get these VNFTP rewards, which can be exchanged for perp in the future. So what do you think about NFTperp? Would you long or short NFTs? Do you think this is useful? Are you going to try to get the airdrop? Drop a like if this was helpful, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.